everyone. I hope you are doing fantastic. Today, we'll be looking at the third I am statement from Jesus. And this statement is found in the 10th chapter of the book of John, in the 9th verse. So it's in verse 7, but I want to specifically focus on verse 9. I am the door. If anyone enters by me, he will be saved, and will go in and out and find pasture. So the reason why this is significant, I have notes again, is because Jesus exclaims the fact that he is the only way to salvation. He isn't saying I am a door. He's saying I am the door. There's no other way in. If you don't go through me, you won't find the entrance. So that's firstly. Secondly, he protects his sheep from danger. In ancient sheepfolds, the shepherd often became the door, lying across the entrance. He would seal the entrance off with his own body, so he protects. And thirdly, Jesus exposes false teachers and false paths. This is crucial to understand. By calling himself the door, he contrasts himself with thieves and robbers, with false ways to get in. But no, there's only one door, and that's Jesus. By his work on the cross, his perfect life lived, his death on the cross, his resurrection, and now, if you put your faith in him, you receive his righteousness, clothed in his righteousness as your own, as if you lived his life and he lived yours. This is an amazing statement, an amazing statement. He provides nourishment and rest. He exclaims in the next verse, he says, he will go in and out and find pasture. So he gives you rest, he gives you comfort, he gives you access. This is amazing. What an amazing God we serve. I hope you guys learned something new. Cheers. Drop a like, drop a comment, and please subscribe. Thank you.